What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we are doing a haul from one of my favorite places, Dollar Tree. I just love going to the dollar store, and honestly Dollar Tree is the best. Like, I always find stuff in there that's so good and everything is $1, so I don't have to worry about all the stuff in my cart, because I'll have a cart full of things and go up there and she'll be like $12 and I am like, yes ma'am. So I go to Dollar Tree all the time just to grab normal things, but this last time when I went I saw so many great stuff, so many hidden gems, like stuff that's so good that again is only $1. So I love doing hauls from there. I know you guys love these too, so I figured that we would do a haul today because I got a couple bags worth of stuff. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, got my first bag here. I noticed when I looked in this bag that like so much of the stuff that I got is pink. Like, this bag is literally just filled with pink. You guys can tell what my favorite color is. You guys see in there, like everything is pink. Live for that. But first thing that I grabbed are these little flip-flops. I feel like I can always use flip-flops. They're pretty much all I wear in the summer, and I thought that these were adorable. They say, I don't sweat, I sparkle. Like, what? How cute is that? I thought that was really cute. They're very basic, but I figured I could just like throw them outside by the pool or something if I needed them. And they had a ton of different options, tons of different colors. They had kid ones too, so maybe if you need some for your kids or something. But for $1, when I need something to throw on my feet, I thought these would be perfect and super cute. So I grabbed these first, and these were like right by the door. I think it's part of like their summer stuff. I actually got a lot of stuff from their new like summer line, I guess you'd call it. I don't know. They kind of change up the stuff in the store seasonally. So right now it's like the summer stuff was just put out and those were part of that, at least at my local Dollar Tree. Okay, up next, also so stinking cute, I grabbed a scarf. They had these again in a bunch of different styles, but I went with this little like palm tree kind of one. And basically what I was thinking for this, like I've seen people like at the beach and stuff where they tie it around their head and it looks like super cute. I thought that would be really nice. A lot of times my scalp gets burnt, so wearing something on my head is very helpful, whether it be a hat or like a scarf or something. So I grabbed one of these because I didn't know how I would look in it. My hair is obviously up now, but you know, like one of these, when people kind of put them like this, now I just look like a pirate. All right. This is why I only wanted to pay $1 for one of these, because I was like, I don't know if I'll ever wear it. So let me get one that's $1. I feel like when my hair is down, I can insert in a picture of what I'm talking about so you guys know what I'm talking about. But I feel like it would be cute, and even if I don't use it for that, it's just a really cute like summery kind of scarf that I'm sure I could find another use for. And I loved the kind of print on it and stuff. You could actually probably use this as a table runner too. Like, it's really long and the right size for that. So it's adorable. And grabbed this. Again, they had tons of different options. Up next, I grabbed this exfoliating bath glove. I love these. You guys know I self-tan, and it's really important when you self-tan, or even if you don't self-tan, just to exfoliate your body. You know, we always exfoliate our face, but you don't want to forget about your body either, especially if you have dry skin. Exfoliating is just gonna make you nice and smooth. You can use like a loofah or something, but this just makes it so much easier because it's already on your hand. So it's not like you're holding something, like you just have to move your hand all around your body to exfoliate. So let's take it out and see. And it feels like it's not gonna be too harsh, which is good too, but you basically just put it on your hand like this. And then in the shower, you can just rub it all over your body and it will help to exfoliate your body. I feel like it's already exfoliating my self-tan off. My self-tan is very patchy right now, so this will come into good use, but I normally just do it in the shower, and it's a lot easier than like having to hold a loofah or using some sort of scrub or something. I just love to use these kind of guys. So just grabbed this because I have a couple other ones, but they're all at much higher price points. So I wanted to try out that one since it was only $1. Next, I grabbed these two. I got two of these. Yeah, so these are like little 4-packs of these cups. They're plastic. I thought they were super cute. Also came in a bunch of different colors. I of course got the pink ones because that's my favorite color. But I feel like whenever people are at my house, they are asking me for like cups. And when we're outside, like by the pool and stuff, or just outside in general, I always get nervous with glass, just with dogs and stuff, if somebody breaks a glass. So I wanted to get some plastic cups, and they had these 4-packs there, and they're super cute. They're big. You can fit ice water, an alcoholic drink if you want, maybe a little pina colada or something for summer. But I thought they were great, so I might actually go back and even grab a little bit more, because you get 4 cups again for only $1. So they're literally 25 cents each. So grabbed these. Also could work for kids too. These were kind of like in a section with like sippy cups and stuff, but they are full-size cups. I grabbed a pack of socks because so many of my socks have holes in them. So I went the other day and threw out every sock that I had that had a hole in it. But now I'm left with not that many socks. So grabbed some new ones, again only $1, and 3 different pairs in here, and they have cute little like neon heels and stuff, which I thought was cute. Ooh, this next product I was super excited about. So this is their eye mask. I've been wanting one of these. I know I used to have one, and for the life of me, I can't find where it is. If you get sinus pressure, or you have allergies, or you just have like puffy eyes, these are so amazing. What I like to do with these is I'll put these in my freezer so they're nice and cold, and it doesn't take a long time for them to get cool, like literally like 10 minutes, and then you just put it on your face like this, and it feels so good for relieving like sinus pressure. If you have a headache or a migraine or something, they're incredible. I get bad sinus migraines, so I really like these. I believe this one can only be cooled. Some of them you can actually heat up, but I tend to always use them cool anyways. That's just what feels better for me. But I was really excited to see that they have these at Dollar Tree. So I grabbed this, and trust me, if you get headaches or pressure or anything, y'all need that. Oh, also grabbed this. I thought this was so cute. They had so many different ones of these too. So I got this one that says Tropical Life. Has a little like flamingo on it. But it's basically just like a really big cup, and I drink water throughout the whole day. You guys know that. And I always have my water bottle and stuff with me, but I'm always buying like more of these just because I love to have like cute ones to bring around. So obviously this wouldn't fit in like a car cup holder or something, but if you're at home hanging out, I hate having to go back and like refill my water bottle every hour. So when I get bigger ones like this, it's great because then it's filled up for a while and it has a cute little straw and it's reusable and stuff. So I thought this was really cute and loved it for summer. So I grabbed this. Also grabbed this pack of headbands. I loved a little snakeskin detailing on them. I love to wear headbands like when I'm doing my makeup and stuff to just get my hair back and out of my face. Or if I'm doing my skincare routine or at the gym, I like to just wear a headband to get all my hair back and away from my face. And so I'm always going through these, but a lot of the ones I have are just like the basic kind of color. Like I don't have any print ones, and I saw these little snakeskin print ones and I was like, oh, those are super cute. So grab these. It is a 2-pack. Next, I grabbed a pair of earbuds, which you're probably like, why did you get that? But I feel like I always forget that now that iPhones have that different kind of charger, because of course Apple had to do us like that, change up the charger and everything. I mean, it happened like a long time ago now, but it's super annoying because on my laptop, I need headphones with a regular headphone jack like these. And also I was recently on a plane and I realized that on the plane to connect to like the screen that like plays the movies and stuff on planes, you also need these. So I couldn't watch any movies or use my laptop. So I wanted to grab a pair of headphones that would work with like a regular headphone jack. So I had them, but I didn't want to have to go to Apple and like spend an arm and a leg. I don't even know if they still have like the old headphone jack at Apple anymore, but I figured I'd just grab these at Dollar Tree and see if they work okay, and I could just throw them in my bag and have them if I'm in a situation where I need them and these kind of headphones don't work. Next, I got this little pitcher thing. I thought this was super cute. Also pink. Seriously, when I was in the store, I didn't realize that every single thing I was buying was pink, but I thought this was really cute. I like to make iced tea and stuff, and so it's nice to have like a big pitcher like this to be able to make a big batch of it, and then I can just like individually pour it into a cup or whatever. And I have one of these and it's always full, and then if I want to make something else, I'm like, oh, then I gotta dump out the other one. So grabbed another one and thought this was really cute. This one's not too exciting, but going off of this little guy for my migraines, I also always like to have Advil just like in my purse or something in case I'm out and I get a migraine or a headache or something. So they always have these at Dollar Tree. I'll show you guys what they look like. You just get little packs of 2, and there's like 6 of them in here. Well, it's 3 packs of 2 Advil each. That makes sense. So they just come like this. You can throw them in your bag or your purse in case you're ever out and get hit with a headache or a migraine or something. You have these right there for you. Oh my God, wait, also wanted to mention PSA. I can't believe I was literally just looking at this on my vanity desk right here and I was like, oh, I forgot I wanted to talk about that. So many of you guys have DM'd me on Instagram or here on YouTube to let me know that your Dollar Tree is carrying the Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana now. So you guys know I love this powder, but it's gotten increasingly hard to find over the years because Wet n Wild's discontinued it, and so it's just been hard to find. But a lot of you guys have told me that you found it at your Dollar Tree, which is so exciting. I didn't find it at mine. That's actually what sparked this entire haul, is so many of you guys DMing me being like, girl, you gotta go to Dollar Tree. They have your Reserve Your Cabana. Mine unfortunately didn't, and I actually went to 2 and neither of them had it, but so many of you guys said that yours did. So definitely check your local Dollar Tree. This is like my favorite powder of all time to set my under eyes. I love it so much. I use it today. I use it all the time. It's fabulous. And so definitely check and see if your local Dollar Tree has it, if you guys are a fan of it, or if you haven't tried it yet, because for $1, I think the normal price of it is like $3.99 if you can find it. But for $1, it's a great deal. So definitely check that out. Really wish mine had it. Hopefully they will restock and get it soon. But just wanted to let you guys know that as well. Good thing I literally used it today and saw it on my vanity, or I would have forgot to even mention that to you guys. Okay, next I got this really cute. I was so excited to see this there. This is from LA Colors, and this is a nail art, like little nail polish. So it's a nail polish that has one of those really precise tips so that you can do like designs and stuff. And so normally when I do my nails, I just do very basic, like just colors. I don't really do designs. I'm not that great at it. But I've really been wanting to do white nails with a coral kind of like design on them, and this is perfect for that. So I saw it and I was like, okay, let me give it a try and see. So it's basically like a bright coral shade, and then it has a nice precise little brush here. Like I feel like if I can do my winged liner, I should be able to do this. So fingers crossed, I'm definitely gonna try it the next time I refill my nails in. And I love LA Colors. I don't think I've ever tried any of their, oh, this looks like it has a little bit of a shimmer in it too. Really, really pretty shade, but I don't think I've ever tried any of their nail polishes, but I'm very excited about this and that they had it at Dollar Tree. Okay, and now last but certainly not least, I always get these at Dollar Tree. I've talked to you guys about them before. These are like the hidden gem of Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, you need them. Screen protectors. You can go wherever the heck, like the Verizon store, the Apple store, whatever, and they will charge you so much for screen protectors. I know sometimes some of them say they have like a lifetime warranty or whatever. I don't know. I always buy these ones from Dollar Tree. It's just a 1-pack, so there's just one in here. Or actually, is there multiple? No, I think it's just one. But they're the tempered glass screen protectors, and I've had them on my phone for years. The one that I have right now has a crack in it, but the screen protector has a crack in it, but it protected my phone screen, so my phone screen isn't cracked, so that's why I wanted to grab a new one. I normally change them about once a year, and I have not had my phone screen crack when I'm using these, so I love them. And again, they're literally $1, where they are easily like 20 bucks if you go to like the Verizon store or something. So, and they're specifically the tempered glass, because those are like the really good ones, at least in my experience, because some of the other screen protectors that aren't tempered glass aren't as good. But these have always protected my screen good, and they're $1. So typically when I go there, I'll just grab one, so I have one if I need it. And I am in need. I don't even think you can see because it's like a small crack in here, but love those, and they have them for a variety of different iPhone sizes there. I think they may have Android ones too, but yeah, that is everything that I got at Dollar Tree. Like I said, I love Dollar Tree. Please comment down below if you guys have got something recently there that has been like incredible, that you love, that was a great deal. I would love to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.